Hello guys, good morning. My name is Boryati Nazara, class 4 MP2. Well, today we'll explain or present a discussion about the gerund and infinitive. Part A, Understanding Gerund and Infinitive. Gerund is word which is added with ing, word plus ing, and function as a noun. Example, gerund I love dancing. The infinitive is the root of a word, to plus word. For example, infinitive, I can stand it, I refuse to laugh. Part B, gerund and infinitive function. As a subject in a sentence, the gerund and infinitive can function as a subject. However, for the infinitive, it is usually at the end of the sentence and the subject at the beginning of the sentence is replaced by it. For the example, gerund studying English is fun. Infinitive, to travel to Mars would take months, or it would take months to travel to Mars. As a subject complement or complement to the subject, both can be used to complement the subject in a sentence. For example, gerund, my goal is winning the marathon. Infinitive, my goal is to win the marathon. After that, as a noun complement or complement of noun. Noun complement adds the description of the noun. Only the infinitive can be used as a complement to nouns. For the example, infinitive, the instruction to wear safety Google has saved many people's lives. As an adjective complement, there are several adjectives that the infinitive can follow. For example, infinitive, I am happy to meet you. As a direct object in a sentence, the word is often followed by a direct object. There are rules regarding words that can only be followed by the gerund, then infinitive or both. For example, gerund she enjoys drinking. Infinitive, Sarah hopes to see the play. As on object of preposition, only the gerund of is the object of the preposition. Example, thank you for helping me. Part C, the gerund and infinitive pattern. The gerund pattern is divided into 4 parts. First one, simple gerund, the pattern word plus ing. Example, her problem is not knowing enough. Perfective gerund, the pattern having plus past participle. Example, he was excited about having watched the rise from the start to finish. After that passive gerund, the pattern being plus past participle, example being chosen to be part of this team is really great. Perfective passive gerund, the pattern having plus been plus past participle, example having been selected for the career. After that, the infinitive pattern is divided into 6 parts. Simple infinitive, the pattern to plus verb. Example, her plan is always been to return to her homeland. Perfective infinitive, the pattern to plus have plus participle. Example, their goal is to be working by March. Perfective progressive infinitive, the pattern to plus have plus be plus present participle. Example, we wanted to have been hiking by now. After that, passive infinitive, the pattern to plus be plus past participle. Example, the suggestion to be seen by a surgeon was never valid. Perfective passive infinitive, the pattern to plus have plus been plus past participle. Example, they were happy to have been chosen for the award. Part D. Difference between the gerund and the infinitive. The difference between the gerund and the infinitive is based on the meaning to be expressed, namely, the word gerund can be used to describe an actual action. For example, playing golf every day is boring. While the word infinitive can be used to describe the action that will occur. For example, to play golf every day would be my idea of happy retirement. Okay, that's my presentation. Thank you.